Hey Tracer riders, if you ride the 2017, give or take 1 or 2 years, Yamaha Tracer 700, especially if you have a bigger windscreen, you will for sure notice this annoying sound every time you hit a bump. It's very annoying and I'm sure it causes harm in the long run to the plastics. Today I'm gonna show you how we can tackle that and never hear the sound again. It's gonna be very easy. You will actually need no tools. All you're gonna need is some absorption material. If it has adhesive on it, it will be much better. A pair of scissors to cut this one and some duct tape. First things first, we're gonna completely undo the screws of the windscreen, completely, till they are completely off. Our screws are completely undone. Make sure you will not lose them. I'm sure Yamaha will charge a great amount of money for them. This is how it should look like, and then we can undo the windscreen. Here's the reason why you have that ticking noise. We have plastic to plastic contact here. We're gonna put some adhesive and absorption material right here and right here, and the noise will be gone. You have to measure the material so that it will be put right there. It should be 1 or 2 centimeters more than the hole in the upright position and a few more centimeters bigger than where the hole ends in the down place. So I'm using a strip of felt right here. It's self-adhesive. I bought it from about €2 from a hardware store. We're gonna put another one right here and wait for the results. In the end, it should look like that. You can freely move the windscreen up and down. And yes, I know it doesn't look very good, but it's the only solution I found. Just put these back together, screw the bolts, and take a ride to see the result. So here we are. Let's screw the bolts. Doesn't need to be completely tight, just right. Some more. Here we are. Let's check for ticking sound now. Success.